If you want to convince your parents to agree to something, there are some tips and tricks you can use. First, be knowledgeable about what you want and explain the pros and cons to your parents. Second, anticipate their doubts or concerns and prepare solid answers to their potential questions. Third, get on your parents' good side by doing chores and being helpful. Fourth, engage in conversation with your parents and show genuine interest in their lives. Fifth, express gratitude to them before asking for something. Sixth, for major requests, give your parents time to think it over by asking for a delayed response. Seventh, be direct and clearly state what you want. Eighth, explain why you want it and the benefits it will bring. Ninth, promise to do chores or improve in school to persuade them. Lastly, make your request seem reasonable by comparing it to a more expensive alternative.